Yeah, but that pits was pretty cool.
Yeah, I like that little pit. I plan to fly it today.
I have mine. It's on a... It's still wobbling. I don't like that. Okay, we're landing. It's doing it again.
Gotta get it down. Yeah.
25%. 0.
Come down.
Eventually, it'll come down.
Hey, perfect, man. 3-pointer.
I had to figure it out. Took 3 times to figure it out.
Huh?
It just wanted to go.
What do you think? I got enough power on here to do one up and
I
down?
think so. How many minutes you got?
It says I only got a minute and a half.
You can go around the pattern once. You
Yeah,
can
let's do that. We'll do...
50%. Gear up.
Still doing it.
Gear down. 50%. 50%. 0.
Low pass.
No, I'm actually trying to... No, you can't go back.
25%.
And that's why I'm not recommending it until...
Oh, I'm just so good, you can't tell. Yeah, that's probably it. That's what it is.
50%. Gear up.
Is it wagging again?
Wagging some.
Just a little.
Bit of rock.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Hey, Johnny, have you tried less gain on those ailerons
That's what I did.
instead of more or less? Yeah.
No, I turned it down. Right now, it was at 30. I turned it down to 20.
I may have been thinking.
See, it's tail wagging, though. That's not good.
Oh! Beautiful. Yeah, nice.
Gear up. Percent. 50%. 25%. 50%. 0.
Uh-oh.
Not today, I wouldn't.
No, no. Of course not. Quarter power.
Ooh. Good save. Good save.
Yeah, that was my call. I thought I would. It dropped. I want to come down here.
That down drop right there is so nasty.
Whoa.
See it? You're getting it. I got it a little bit in the F-22, but didn't notice it because of the power. There we go.
Hey.
It's right down there. It's
all
exactly
down
down there.